Everyone, and welcome back to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver is currently trading around $84.6250. If you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, the level it has reached, we have seen in the second week of Feb, of 2026. After that, the price was continuously moving upside and it has moved towards a level of $84.8. And if the price going above this level, this pattern support an upside and we can see it will move towards 85.4. So then there will be a zone breakout from the first week of Feb, and then we can see there will be a further upside. So if the price keep moving over 85.4, we can see there will be a further fall, but if it keep falling below this level, it will move again in this zone. Okay, so in this video I will be explaining a 15 minutes chart, 2 hours chart, daily, and then finally weekly chart, so you'll understand how this technical is working on weekly as well as other patterns. Okay, but if it started coming down on 15 minutes chart, it can move towards a level of 82.7, then to a level of 81.3, then to a level of 79.3, and if it moves below this level, it will move in this zone. Till the time it is not going below a level of 73.5, we will not see that it will break towards a level of 71. Then only it will go further down to in the range of 65 or 64. Okay, only when it started falling below 71.5. Now coming back on a 2 hours chart, where you will understand how the price is moving on a 2 hours chart basis, because what we have seen on the silver on 2 hours chart basis, it is quite volatile compared to what we have seen in 15 minutes chart. See, after making a half around $21, we have seen the prices continuously down. We have seen a sharp fall. Okay, after that, this is the range where the price has moved for so long. So if it keep moving above a level of around $86 on this chart, you can see the high candle around $85.5, that if it keep moving up this level, we can see there can be a further upside, and if that sustain, we will move in this particular zone. Chance of touching 89.12 can be there, and from there a level of 90.9, then to a level of $92.3. But if it keep moving below this level, we can see it will go further down towards a level of 79.6, and if the price moving below that particular level, chance of touching 76.4 is there, then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see it will go further down, and yes, after that it can touch 73.9 to a level of $72.19, and then there will be this pattern support downside, so we can see it will fall below $71.8, then a further fall can be seen towards this low. Okay, so this is the 2 hours chart. Now coming back on a daily chart, so that you will understand how the price is moving on a daily basis. But before I make you understand how the technicals working in the daily chart, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. If you look at this particular chart, what we have seen, suppose if the price sustain above this level, it can move towards a level of $84.8. Then we can see it will move out of this zone, and then after that we can see it will move towards a level of $86.3. Okay, this is a half the zone. So suppose if it started going upside, we will see it will go further upside, and yes, after that it will move towards $88, and if that sustain, we will see it will go towards a level of 90.2. Okay, and once the price moving up this level, probability of going towards 92.14 is there, then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price will go above that level and it will touch a level of 93.7, which is already weak level, so we can see the price will rise above that level and it will touch a level of 95.7, and then a further upside can be seen towards a level of directly above $103. Remember that there is a higher chances that if the price keep moving over this level, we can see it will go further upside. After crossing 103, the price will not stop and it will go directly towards 110, and then from there it will cross a level of 117, because after 110 we can see 117 is already weak, so we can see a further upside. Trailing your SL is important by around $1 on the day wise chart, so at least you will capture upside movement. But if it started coming down, then directly we can see it will fall below $80.9. Okay, if the price fall below that particular level, chance of going towards 79.4. Price started falling below 79.4, we will see a strong level at around 76.3, from there a level of $74.2, which is already weak. After 76 we can see it will fall below 74.2 and chance of going towards 72 can be there, and from there a level of 71.6. Then it will move towards $70.5. Remember that as soon as the price started falling below $70, chances are very high it will go below this level of around and can touch a level of 64.5. So this is a level is very important, 70.5. Okay, and keep trailing your SL if it fall below 70.5 by $1, so at least you will capture downside movement. Okay, but if it keep moving upside above a level of $85.5, trail your SL by again $1, so at least you will capture upside movement, or you can trail by $2 depending on your risk. Now coming on a weekly chart, which is very important you to understand, because we have seen there is a change in the volume, because we have seen after two candles the price was continuously in this zone. See, we have seen that the price of silver on a week chart, that a red candle is forming. Okay, in that we have seen one red and one green candles are forming. This is a hammer is forming, a green hammer, suggesting that there can be upside movement if the price started going above $85.5, because that is a previous week's candles high. Okay, so if the price sustain above that level, it can touch a level of 85.15, that is resistance one, and if the price going above this level, probability of touching a level of 91.9 is there. Okay, that is a resistance too. So trail your SL by around 1.5 to $2 if the price sustain above 85.5, because chance of touching 91.9 is very high, and from there it will move towards $102.48. Okay, suppose if the price sustain above $102.48, we can see the price will rise, and from there it will move towards $119. After $102.5 we can see $119. If the price sustaining above that level, we can see it will make a new all-time high. So trailing your SL by around $2 if the price sustain above a level of 100 after crossing $91.9. So at least you will capture upside movement. But suppose if the price started coming down, what we can see, suppose if it started coming down, it can fall towards $82.4, which is a support one, and if the price keep falling below that particular level, chances are very high it will fall below a level of 74.3. This 74.3 is already weak level, so we can see the price will go further down, and yes, after that it will touch a level of 72.4, which is support 3 level, and if the price moving below that particular level, chance of touching 71.8 is there, which is support 4. Okay, and if the price falling below that particular level, we can see the price will move further low and it will touch a level of $69.1. Then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price will, after $69.1, we can see a level of 67.3. Okay, which is support 5, and from there it will touch this particular low of 64.3. Then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see a further fall. Okay, trail your SL by around $1 if the price started falling below a level of around $80, so at least you will capture downside movement. Or if it started, because after 80 we can see the price will go below a level of around 73, which is weak level, so we can see it will fall further down. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I given the mail ID is also in the description. Okay, there will be events will be there, so we can see there can be a volatility in the price of silver, as well as we have seen the Iran news is coming, so we can see there can be a rise in the price of silver. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. The volume has changed. Okay, so you can see, if you want any suggestion or a query, you can mail me at, I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.